friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a midweek haul. We have some Walgreens clearance, a lot more than what's pictured I photographed in the store. At Rite Aid, we have some free gain. So if you're about that green gold, this is a video for you. And then at Walmart, just a couple little cheapies, and I have a freebie as well. Okay, so the first piece of business, I did mentioned this in a video earlier this week that in Canada it's called Reese, not Reese's, like it is in the US. So we don't have that extra S. In Canada, you'll get a third peanut butter cup. Here it's only 2. I know it's just something random, but I wanted to share it with you guys because there are some differences between the two countries. And for this and other dumb facts, please like this video. Really helps out the channel. It was a Walgreens Candy Bar deal. So anyhow, let's hop into the deals. Right off the bat, let's talk about Walgreens. This showed up on Wednesday morning. Load your booster for next week. It starts on the 19th, and yes, we'll have deals to go with this. Also, if you might have been so lucky to get a 10 back when you spend 10, I made an entire dedicated video I uploaded yesterday. I'll link it at the very end. Get your freebies by Saturday with this booster, which is the 10 back when you spend 10. Okay, let's just look at some clearance. I've been finding this at all the stores. I'm up here in Michigan. Maybe you'll have the same. Maybe you'll have better. The first is Bang, which is an energy drink. They have these little shots plus the drinks. Be on the lookout for that. This nice ginger ale, which is a Walgreens brand. It is the only soda on clearance for 49 cents, stock up price. In the dental care aisle, they have this mail order in like Bite Guard. You just make it at home, send it in. They make you Bite Guards. $3.99, original price $40, 90% off. And we have the Listerine. It's some sort of spray for 53 cents, 90% off. It was tracking with the buy one, get one 25% off as well. No digital coupons would attach, but a nice little thing to throw into your purse. If you're trying to fill up those Easter baskets on the cheap, a lot of the Disney princesses, 75% off, $3.49, original price, I think it's $13.99 for this doll. More LOL surprise, more Easter basket stuff, $9.99, 75% off at $2.49. And then I found one of these Head and Shoulders conditioners on clearance. We have a 50-cent digital coupon and then 50 cents back from IBOTTA. So it's $3.99, subtracting the 2, the rebate and the coupon, it'll be $2.99 for this conditioner. So not the worst deal if you like Head and Shoulders. It's a super duper deal. Look for these Dove or men or women's dry sprays on clearance at your store. We have this coupon that's been found itemized like right near the dry spray, so you're going to need one of these. Shopkick has this rebate for 800 points back when you buy either a men or a women's. So definitely, like, this one's valuable. Grabbing one of those dry sprays for $4.89, subtracting the TearPad coupon, pay $3.89. Get back 800 points from Shopkick, which is $3.20. The final price point for this dry spray is 69 cents. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, you're doing this without a booster, absolutely go for it. Dry sprays are what, $10? To pay 69 cents, that's winning. Okay, now we have the Walgreens toilet paper, buy one, get one free, and the original price is $4.99. So just to show you the tag, it's either the soft one, and then they have like a strong one, very similar to Charmin. If you might have this, which is a $4 store coupon, let's throw it into the mix to make this deal super duper. Grabbing 2 of these toilet papers, that's $4.99 on the nose. Remember, it's buy one, get one free. Subtracting that $4 store register reward, you're paying 99 cents for the 2. I think this is a super smart stock up price for toilet paper. Okay, now we're going to head over to Walmart and we're going to be looking for these Finish Tabs Quantum, and it's the 15 count. There's a bunch of different bags that look identical, but this is the one that you want to grab, and 2 of them for $4.94. IBOTTA has a rebate of $5 back when you buy 2, so you're getting one completely for free. But hang on to your hat for a second. Check your coupons.com account. I had $2 back on each. That's $4 back for me. Grabbing 2 of these, it's $9.88. You're going to pay that. I know, gross. And then you're getting $4 back from IBOTTA and $4 back from the coupons.com app, making it 88 cents for the 2 or 44 cents per bag of 15 count Finish. So this is a stock up price. It's fantastic. Make it happen. So at Walmart, you're going to head over to like the heartburn aisle. You know where they have Pepto-Bismol, Tums, all that good stuff. We're looking for the AlkaSeltzer heartburn and the AlkaSeltzer hangover relief. A lot of these bottles look similar to other products, so please be careful with what you're grabbing. On Shopkick, you're going to get back 2,100 points for the purchase of the two, which is like $8.20. And then Fetch has a rebate of 1,500 points when you buy the two. So that is really terrific. So the AlkaSeltzer Hangover is $3.98, and AlkaSeltzer Gas, the smaller one, is $4.68 for a total of $8.66. You'll pay that out of pocket. Get back 2,100 points back from Shopkick, which is $8.40. And then 1,500 points back from the Fetch Rewards app. It makes this a total freebie and just an amazing deal. You never know when you're going to need this stuff in your stockpile. So definitely a stock up price, even if you wanted to try it, especially even like the gas one. Sometimes I need that once in a while, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying that. Okay, the last store that we have is Rite Aid, and if you might have one, you might want to be on the lookout for this detergent because this is a fire deal, guys. So we're going to be looking for the Gain, either the liquid detergent or fabric softener. We're going to get a mix and match of it. $10.99, $10 of bonus cash when you buy 30, and you can do this of a limit of 2. So for my basket, I grabbed 5 detergent and 1 softener. If you need more softener, you can mix that up, change it however you want, but make sure it has that sticker of $10.99. When you buy $30, you get back $10 of Walgreens cash that it's in fact tagged, because a lot of Gain is not tagged. Are the digital coupons that I loaded, and this is all that I had, guys, because I can't even print from P&G Good right now. A $2 for the detergent and a $2 for the fabric softener. Checkout, I got the cashier to scan this for me, which is $10 of bonus cash when you spend $50, so you earn that after your purchase. Cashiers always get really confused by that, and they're like, I don't know why $10 didn't come off. I'm like, oh, you get it after your purchase. If you go over to your bonus cash challenges, I had this one of spending $57 to get back $15, so you're going to have to activate that, but $15 back is a big piece of the pie. And then to make this sweeter, on P&G Good every day, they have a rebate of a $10 gift card when you spend $30 on Gain products. Has to be all on one receipt, and it has to be after coupons. And yes, I did qualify for that one. So yeah, that's pretty fantastic. Looking at the mathematics for this, 5 Gain detergents is $54.94, and then 1 softener is $10.99 for a total of $65.94. I got the cashier to scan the flyer 10 back when you spend 50. I had one of those Catalina 8 off of 40 Rite Aid store coupons that came off as well, along with the $2 digital coupons. So I had to pay $53.94. I rolled some bonus cash that was on my store card. And then I got $30 of bonus cash, $20 for spending $60 on the Gain products, and then $10 for spending $50, and then $15 of bonus cash from the bonus cash challenges for Gain, and then that $10 gift card from the P&G Good site. So after everything, this is a free haul, and I'm getting like $65 of Gain for free. What a fantastic deal. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.